Understanding lease extensions, what you need to know. A lease extension is a critical legal agreement that allows the term of an existing lease or rental agreement to be extended. Though not mandatory in any business transaction, lease extensions play a vital role in the landlord-tenant relationship as well as in various commercial leasing scenarios, including vehicles, machinery, and equipment. What is a lease extension? At its core, a lease extension is a legal contract that prolongs the rental period of an already existing lease agreement. This extension is commonly initiated just before the original lease is set to expire. It provides flexibility for both parties involved, the property owner and the lessee, by allowing them to continue enjoying the use of the asset under the same terms. Key takeaways. A lease extension is a legal document that extends the duration of an existing lease or rental agreement. Essential details within the lease extension include the names of parties involved, specific new dates for the extension, and references to the original agreement. Lease extensions are prevalent in residential landlord-tenant agreements and the leasing of vehicles, machinery, or equipment. How lease extensions work. A lease is fundamentally a contract in which the lessee, the user, pays a lessor, the owner, for the use of an asset for a defined period. These agreements are prevalent in various sectors, including housing, automotive, and industrial equipment leasing. When a lease reaches its expiration, the lessor and lessee have several options. 1. Vacate the property, the lessee may choose to leave the property. 2. Renew the lease. The parties might renegotiate the terms of a new lease agreement, which may involve adjustments to rental amounts, duration, or other conditions. 3. Extend the lease. In this case, the original lease terms typically remain intact, though the timeframe for the extension might be shorter than the original lease. Lease extension process. A lease extension is formalized through a written document that names all parties involved in the agreement, specifies the dates of the extension, references the earlier lease agreement being extended. In the residential context, some lease agreements may also have automatic renewal clauses. These clauses may allow for a month-to-month tenancy if both parties agree, which can offer increased flexibility. Special considerations. Lease extensions represent a mutually beneficial arrangement for both lessors and lessees. Here's why. Stability for tenants. A lease extension provides tenants with housing security, allowing them to remain in their residences without the fear of having to vacate suddenly. This stability can be critical for families and individuals seeking a consistent living situation. Security for landlords. For landlords, extending a lease guarantees rental income. Moreover, the original lease terms, including notice provisions, remain in effect, protecting landlords from unexpected disruptions, such as vacancy periods. Risk management and business benefits. Businesses often prefer leasing to purchasing due to risk management considerations. For example, flexibility. Leasing property allows a business to adapt to changing market conditions without the financial risk associated with real estate ownership. A company can lease space in a different part of the city as its business expands, without the burden of selling a property. Asset disposal. Leasing equipment eliminates concerns about the process of selling an asset once it is no longer needed. Companies can focus on their operational needs, whether it's real estate or equipment requirements, while avoiding the complexities of future liquidations. Examples of lease extensions. Lease extensions can be found in various contexts. Residential leases. A landlord may choose to extend a tenant's lease when it nears expiration. This allows the tenant to remain in the property while providing the landlord with assurance of continued rental income. Automotive leases. If a consumer's 4-year car lease is set to expire, they may opt to extend this agreement if a suitable replacement vehicle is not yet accessible. Car dealerships commonly offer extensions to retain customer relationships and facilitate smoother transitions. Conclusion. In summary, lease extensions are a significant aspect of leasing agreements, offering flexibility, stability, and security for both landlords and tenants, as well as businesses leasing equipment or property. Understanding the terms and implications of lease extensions can empower both lessors and lessees to maintain advantageous relationships while navigating the complexities of rental agreements seamlessly.